What's going on, guys? For today's video, we got a Supreme week. Honestly, I don't even have a clue what week this is because Supreme has been lacking with the shipments. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks since we ordered all this stuff and it's still not all here. But instead of trying to figure out what I'm missing, like without opening it, we're just gonna open what we have right now, and that's just gonna be the video, and I'll let you know what I am missing later on. But yeah, this is my girlfriend Ashley. You watched the live cop. Did we make one?
This is the first live cop that we did. We just got it. This is the very
first one. Okay, so yeah, we did make a live cop for this, but it was a long time ago. I don't know, this stuff's old, but we're just gonna get into it because I can't go back and figure out what I'm missing. So we just gotta figure out what we're missing now. We got a ton of stuff though, and I think I'm only missing one shipment. But before we get into the video, I did wanna give a special shout out to my boy Mosa Garms. He makes a bunch of cool clothing on Instagram and actually made this shirt. He cut it himself, bleached it, did all that. Make sure you follow him, and I will put his Instagram in the description down below. Mine. Not yours, but I will put his and mine in the description down below. So make sure you check both of us out and hit us with that follow. So let's get right into this unboxing. I don't know where we'll start. I wish I didn't cover up all the labels so we could figure out which one you got, but I'll let you open up this one first. There are a ton of stickers this season, so we need to get all of them, and not really a ton actually, because I'm just thinking about it, mixing it up. Some of them were the Bloody Valentine ones, so those ones don't count. We're actually, I think there's like 3 or 4 stickers, but we still gotta get them all. So let's see what we got in this package, and I don't even know if this is what she got.
I think so. Yeah, right?
Were there any stickers though?
One.
Are you kidding me? We only got 2 red box logo stickers.
This is my order, right?
Nothing else. Yeah, I think so. Let's start off this. I'm not going to be opening this one because this is going to be for resale, but this is the Sailboat Tee in a size extra large, and this one actually is hitting. We did get a good size. This was a good cop because a lot of people said this would be doing well, and it is doing well. So shout out to Ashley getting the Sailboat Tee, because I don't think I was able to get the Sailboat Tee, but I can't remember. But yeah, navy size extra large in the Sailboat Tee. Moving on, this is the Morph Tee in that tie-dye colorway in the extra large. I do not think I'm going to be keeping this for the personal either, so unfortunately we are not opening this. But this was the Morph graphic. This one sat on the site for I think about a week or 2. And I think it's gone now, but this was a complete sleeper. This will end up probably being a hold item because this is probably under retail right now. So this was not the best purchase, but the tie-dye colorway I think is going to kill it later on down the road. This is actually I think the first time they did tie-dye, so that was cool to see them actually do that. So I'll open up the next one. Again, I don't know if this is the order that I placed or not. We're doing very bad with the stickers, so hopefully we can at least get some of those stickers. Well, I mean only one order, so I can't say we're doing bad, but still. All right, let's see. So I think this is actually the other order that you got. No stickers? Is there just no stickers at all?
I didn't get too tight.
Oh, so we did actually get some stickers. We got the everything is demonetized sticker, and then we got the Chrome logo sticker as well. I just wanted the Chrome logo sticker, so I'm hyped. I think I'm only missing one more sticker now, and the red logo, but we'll save the stickers for the end. So this is actually the other order you got. Yeah, this is an order Ashley placed for me. I will open up this because this is for the personal. I love this one. This is the Chrome logo tee, and we were able to get this in a size large. I'm thinking about switching up to get to a size large because after you wash them, sometimes they shrink a little bit. So I went with a large for my first time. So hopefully this still ends up fitting me, but it is the Chrome logo. Right here just says it will match the skateboard. But yeah, right there, Chrome logo, and we got that in black. Hopefully this does not get covered in dog hair, so I'll set that right there. Then this, I don't know if I plan on keeping it for the personal or not, but I will open it up just to see, because it also was in a size large. I did want to get something in the tie-dye colorway, so this one feels a little bit different.
Yeah, I love this.
This is the Dinosaur Tee or something like that. Look how cute he looks. Would you say he looks cute?
Yeah.
In a nice Supreme hat. He's looking super cute, so I had to pick this up. I wanted to get something in the tie-dye colorway. This actually looks huge though.
Yeah, it looks huge.
This actually looks really big. Maybe I should have got a medium. There might be a medium in here somewhere too, so I guess we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, here's the Dinosaur Tee in a size large. So 2 personal pickups. Hopefully no dog hair gets all over them. Let's move on. Wait, actually before we open that, let's open one of the skateboards first. Oh, I don't have anything to open up skateboard with. Hold on. So if you remember from the live cop, we did get 2 skateboards, so we'll open them up right now. You want to open them?
You do it.
Okay, I'll open it.
I'll pull it out.
Okay, all right, there's one of them. Put those over here because we're going to need them in just a minute.
I was going to say this is mine, but we got the same
color.
Yeah,
we actually got the same. No stickers at all? Are you kidding me right now? Not even a red box logo?
Oh, right here.
Oh, it's inside of it though. So we did get, this is actually orange.
It looks yellow.
Yeah, it looks yellow
on
online. Everyone that said that this was orange, you were right, I was wrong. It definitely is orange.
I like
the color.
I
love this color. It's looking sick, matches the shirt. I wanted to get it in the black colorway and in the, I guess, orange colorway, but we only got orange. Still sick. Maybe I can trade up to somebody. Who knows? This is going to be for the personal, so we'll set that to the side. Not too much more to say about that. And moving on, this seems to be a lot quicker than most of my unboxings, so we're just breezing through this right now. So let's see if we got any stickers in this order. Judging from the box logo being inside of the plastic wrap, probably didn't get one. So, oh, wow, okay, I was mistaken. We did get one Redbox logo sticker. Oh wait, was that a second one? Yeah, a second Redbox logo sticker, but none of the sets or whatever. But same exact thing in that orange colorway again, and this one is going to be for the personal. Well, one of them will be for the personal. One is to hopefully trade up or sell to maybe get the black one. But yeah, this deck is sick. It looks so nice in person. I love this thing. Probably one of my favorite skateboards that I own right now from Supreme. Also, I did put this in my other video, so if you didn't already comment on it, if you want to see my entire skateboard collection, make sure you leave a comment down below so we can see it. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so I do want to show off my skateboards because I want to show off my entire Supreme accessories, but that's not going to be until I get way more subscribers. And I do want to show off my entire skateboard collection, and then I do want to show off my entire sticker collection, but the sticker video will probably be when I get a little bit more subs as well. If you want to see the skateboards, leave a comment down below and I'll make that video for you. So let's set that to the side too, and now we only got 2 more left, so which one do you want to open? We're definitely missing some things though, for sure. I think we had 6 orders, but the skateboards usually ship separately. She got the skateboard by itself, but I got the skateboard with some other things. But yeah, I'm just going to have to figure out what I'm missing. No stickers?
No.
Oh, we got 2 Redbox logo stickers. They're doing us dirty again. So this, I think, was my order.
Yeah.
So we're not going to be opening up a lot of these, unfortunately. But we did get the Dinosaur Tee in the size large. Same graphic like the one I just showed, except this is the white colorway, obviously. Then we did get another chrome logo. We got this in a medium in the white. Same exact graphic, just got this in the white colorway too. And then moving along, oh, I got this in a tie-dye as well. I guess I got the Morph Tee in a tie-dye colorway. I don't even remember doing that, but yeah, I guess I got another tie-dye with the Morph Tee. So hopefully this one will do pretty well down the line, because I think, like I said, I think this one's under retail.
I think that's when you were just carding stuff.
Yeah, just adding. Sometimes I forget. So the last order that we have right here in hand, before I figure out what we are missing, and let's hope I got that last sticker that I need. So not looking too promising. No, oh wait, they just gave me a chrome. That's weird, it wasn't in the plastic though. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to hit up eBay to find that sticker. But here we got the size extra large in white. Wow, I got a lot of white. Of the, what is this called? The Dragon Tee, size extra large. This is a super brick, but I feel like this is going to be worth money down the line. Because right now, I think this is the cheapest of the shirts. This is super below retail right now, according to StockX prices. But still, I think down the line, this one's gonna be a heater. Not too much to say about that because that's probably like the worst graphic. And then these are actually orange too, which I thought they were yellow. I was gonna keep these for the personal, but Joey actually got these as well. And he got a medium and he said that they were a little tight on him. So if this is a small, there's no way this is gonna fit me. So I am gonna be selling these. These are the water short. Okay, so this is interesting. There goes me ever selling this on StockX because now I can't sell it on StockX. If you see right here, it says size medium, but I can already see right here because someone opened this up, it does say a size small on the tag here. So now that voids me selling this on StockX. Still, I think this is going to be a dope item down the line. It is the water shorts. I kind of feel like someone just like shoved them in here. Like they ripped this open and shoved it in here, something like that. So yeah, that is kind of odd, but these are, what do they call these things? Even the sticker says small too, which is interesting. But the big letter water shorts, they did match the track jacket, which I wanted to go for, but I ended up not getting that because it was kind of pricey. And something about this crest made me hate that thing, so I ended up passing on that. But yeah, I will have to figure out what I'm missing because I still feel like I am missing something. Because I thought I did 3 orders, but I got the skateboards with other things. So
all mine are here.
Yeah, all yours are here for sure. I honestly have no clue what I'm missing. So I probably should have got those screenshots on my phone. I'm gonna have to do some digging, figure out what I'm missing. But that is everything that we have from whatever week this was. So that is gonna be the video for today. It was a Supreme unboxing, a pretty big one too, kind of looking like a week 1 unboxing from the amount of stuff that I got. Like I said, I am missing a couple things. I'm not going to be doing a video though when those come in because that won't really make sense just to unbox 1 or 2 t-shirts. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you did cop anything from this drop, and let me know how your shipping's doing as well. Hit the like button if you did enjoy this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Shout out to Ashley again for helping me get everything, and shout out to Mosa Garms again for this awesome t-shirt. Follow both of us on Instagram in the description down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out. Well, we're out. See ya.